Yo, 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 free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? All right, Wednesday, my day off, so I'm doing a lot of videos today. All right, probably gonna have about like 5 to 6 different videos for you guys. Trying to help you guys out on every single day basis. Shout out to my online team and all my subscribers. Do me a favor, you watching this video, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button in the bottom. Ask me anything, all right? Ask me anything. Comment below any video. I usually get back to almost all my comments, all right? Like, I also do one-on-one training on Instagram, so you can hit me up at free_online_money_maker on Instagram, all right? Hit me up, ask me anything, hit me up anytime. You can ask me as many questions as you want. Hit me up, all right? I'm here to help. I'm really here to help the team out. Appreciate all the love. Like I said, I'm getting hundreds of comments every single day across all platforms. So a lot of people are interacting. A lot of people are getting with it. It's up to you on an every single day basis to put that work in that you need to succeed, because the number one goal is freedom. All right, the number one goal is freedom. All right, so it's gonna be an instant PayPal cash out video. All right, the number one way to invest your free money. The number one way to invest your free money. All right, even if you got earned money, you can invest it the same way too. But this is the best way to invest free money. All right, your earned money usually goes to your bills. All right, your earned money usually goes to your bills. Now, if you earn a lot of money, that well over your bills, you can pay your bills, save money, you just do whatever you want. You're good, right? But a lot of people are not like that. Everybody that's on my usually people that's on my channel are not in this position. All right, we're in the position of that's why I'm in the position of helping everybody out. I know people are struggling. I know people are drafting in their accounts. I know people don't have money to put gas in their tank, don't have money to put food in the fridge. I understand times is rough. This is why I created the system. This is why I created everything I created. I just got online and just started clicking, started reading, started learning, started buying, started taking action. And once I started doing that on an every single day basis, relentless. Every day I'm doing this and I'm looking at my son. I look at my son, I see him sleeping in his bed. I come back to the computer, I'm ready to go. My motivation is not far, all right? So everybody has different levels of motivation. Just find out what motivates you the most. Once you find out what motivates you the most, you're gonna be able to take flight and take over, right? All I gotta do is look at my son, and I'm right back on the computer, grinding, do what I gotta do, figuring something out, reading a book, going through a course, signing up to a app, or signing up to a service that I need to use. Anything that you need, all right? Number one way to invest your free money that you get online, all right? Your free money that you get online, all right? Number one way to invest it, all right? It's my OfferNation account right here. My OfferNation account right now, I'm sitting around $90.50 maybe, like around $90.50. So I actually cashed out $20 the other day. I put it on one of my sports books, my sports book account. I'll be doing gambling. I gamble on sports. Put $20 on that, and I think I won $50. I forgot to post that on the IG. I'm gonna put that on the IG. But like I said, people, the number one way to invest your free money is to invest in yourself. I know you always hear that. I know everybody always says that. What does this really mean? It's just in you. Like whatever the money that you're gonna spend, take it. Buy something that's gonna make you better. Buy something that's gonna make you better, smarter. It's gonna teach you something. It's gonna if you're overweight, lose weight. If you're underweight, gain weight. If you need to stop smoking. If you need to stop drinking. If you whatever it might be, you have anger issues. You can't sleep. I don't care what it is. You have to be able to take the money, invest in something. I don't care what it is, but as long as it comes back and it enters yourself. So, all right. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. All right. Anything that you can do to better yourself and it costs money, it's well deserved. It's well spent. It's not wasting money because you're going to be smarter. You're going to be better off in the future. As long as you stay focused and stay with it, you're going to be able to grow and do other things. All right. This is what I've been doing. All right. Like I said, I'm not nowhere near where I want to be at. Very disappointed in myself. 2019 has been a very, very rough year. But guess what? You watch my videos, you see my content, you see what I've been doing this year. I always have something. Even if it's a little drip, it's still something. All right. Still something coming in, helping everybody out. All right. Instant PayPal, cash out. Let me show you what I mean by that. And like I said, this is why I use the sites that I use. I understand a lot of people hit me up, free online money maker. How about this site? Or how about this site? Or why don't you use this site? Or why don't you use it? And those are great. Those probably work great. Not a problem. But like I said, I'm not really into using. And let me just say this before I'm about to say what I gotta say. I can't work on 100 sites a day. I have to be realistic because when I first started off, excuse me, when I first started off, I signed up to almost everything, like everything, and it was too much. It was only 24 hours in a day. How am I supposed to sign up to 100 different sites and literally log in and make money on each site? It's kind of like, I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but it's really close to it, right? If you have a life already, you got a kid, you got a job you got to go to, you got this, you got that, you got responsibilities. You go work out and stuff. It's hard to put all that together every single day, right? So I understand that. This is why I use instant PayPal. This is why I say instant PayPal, right? Let me go to rewards. Why is this not highlighted? It's supposed to highlight. Let me see. That's not it. I'm supposed to go to withdraw. All right, withdraw. Here we go. All right. So let me scroll down here. You got PayPal, unlimited withdrawals allowed each day. Okay. But what that is, you can get your money between 24 hours. All right. Instant PayPal right here. Instant PayPal. You get your money within 2 minutes. All right. And I'm going to cash this $50 out and get 2 minutes. Now look, one withdrawal to the maximum of $50 allowed each day. Now, one time I forgot to read this, and I cashed out like 50. I think it was $60, and it took a while for it to get there. Not a while, but it took overnight. And I don't want that. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is a trick, all right? A small little trick. It says $50 max allowed. Now, if I put that 50 in, they might do the same thing. I'm not sure. They might just give me the 50. But what I'm gonna do is play it safe. All right, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna put $49.99. All right, I'm gonna put $49.99. So I put $49.99. It should be in my account within minutes because it's under the 50. You see what I'm saying? So that's a trick. That's a little tip and trick. That's why I tell you watch my videos. I got small little tips and tricks to do different things. All right. So that's just a tip. If you want a $50 cash out, let's say you needed it right now. If you put $50 in here, it might not go through instantly. I'm not sure. It says maximum of 50. So I'm expecting if I put 50, it should just come in. But I'm not going to take that chance because I need the money now. So I'm not going to take that chance. I got a lot of errands to run today. So I'm just going to do the $49.99. That way I'm under the 50. And that way it's going to just give it right to me. All right. So that's instant PayPal. Why do I do instant PayPal too? The minimum to withdraw, I hope you see this, is $1. Like this is literally one of the best things right here. Minimum $1. So literally you watch one of my videos, you study one of my tutorials, you sign up, you follow exactly what I say, you're literally going to make money today. That's just why I love my system. You're literally going to make money today. Only reason now, let me rephrase that. Let me rephrase that. You're new, so you might have to verify with the PayPal. What I mean by that, you do a cash out, they'll tell you it's the first time you ever cashed out. It might be 24 hours. They might tell you that. All right. So that's. I apologize for telling you that you could get the money exactly today. If it's your first cash out, you might have to wait 24 hours or whatever. After that, it's ball game. You see me cashing out on here all the time. All right. So it's up to you to really use this system. Really embrace what I'm telling you. All right. The number one way to use your free money is to invest in yourself. All right. Let me go to convert. Let me convert these points real quick. I got a lot to do today. Very busy off day. Today's my day off. Very, very, very busy today. I'm gonna put $49.99. All right, not too much here. So I'm gonna put $49.99. All right, convert that to cash. What happened? I didn't do it right. I don't think I did it right. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, that came out into cents. Oh, I gotta do this. I apologize. I gotta do. I gotta do this. Hold on. 44. 4,400. $4499.00 or 0.99. That should be it right there. I think I did it wrong the first time. I think this is good this time. Let's see. Convert to cash. Yeah. Oh, I want it to be a little higher than that. Let me convert a little bit more. I just want it to be a $49.99. How much do I need here now? 12 cents makes it $47. So I need $3.11. $3.11. So that would be 3. I think that's how I do $3.11. Let me see. There we go, $3.11. All right, $49.99. All right, my bad. It took me a little because it's a little weird here because this 4,057 points, .28. This is $40.57. All right, these are like just decimal points in a sense, but this is $40.57. So I'm gonna do a $49.99 cash out. Let me go to withdraw. So that's why I always tell you guys, baby, instant PayPal. All right, it's gonna be in my account within 40 seconds. All right, and I'm gonna see if I could quickly log in and show you guys instant PayPal. What I love about instant PayPal too is you can come here, do your instant PayPal. If you have another cash out, you can come here. This takes a little bit longer. It's not always 24 hours, but it takes a little longer. But this one's just so instant. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna do withdraw here. All right, your withdrawal request has been added to the pending list. It will be reviewed. Once approved, it will be sent within 24 hours of request. It says that, but it's literally going to be there in 5 minutes. Let me log in and show you right now. Okay, I'm all logged in into my PayPal account. As you can see, $161, right? Like I said, I cashed that out earlier. Cashed it out, a couple of cash outs. Let me scroll for you. Look, I told you that $48.99. It's in instantly. You see the time right here in the lower right-hand corner, 7:46. It's in instantly. All right. This is why I use my system. This is why I tell you guys, PayPal, instant PayPal cash out. It's there instantly. And I could have put a little bit. I could have put an extra $1 in there too. All right. These are all the cash outs from today. I got about 5 cash outs. These are all the cash outs from today. So this is why I use my system. Instead of cashing out little by little every day, just go for one day and just cash out a massive amount. All right. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. What I tell you is always have one account that you're cashing out every single day. Always have another account that you're letting build. Always have a couple of other accounts that you're always letting build. And what happens is every Friday you cash out everything, so you have something for the weekend. All right. So like I said, I'm always trying to help you guys out any way I can. I'm trying to help you guys out. All right. $161 PayPal balance, $48.99 in my account. All right, this is free online money maker. I'm trying to help y'all out there. Number one way to invest. What I'm gonna do with this 161? I'm about to invest it in myself. Right? I have multiple side businesses. I have multiple side gigs that I do. I'm gonna take this whole 161 and I'm gonna put it into myself. What does that mean? I'm gonna put it into myself and all the side gigs and the side jobs that I recreated. Like I got landscaping to do. I got to stop at Home Depot, get a couple of things for my landscaping. These things are help out. I gotta get a couple bags. I gotta get some trimmer line. Like this money helps out. I'm spending this money. It's 100% free to buy my material that I need. And guess what? When I get to the customer's house, I do their house. They're paying me money. They're giving me the money back that I just spent on the stuff that I needed. But the stuff that I needed, I just spent was 100% free. All right. So I'm really trying to help my team out there. Hit me up on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook at Jesse Lewis at Free Online Money Makers on Facebook. Follow me on Snapchat at Free Online Money. All right, hit me up. I'm also on LinkedIn. Follow me. Hit me up. Ask me anything. I'm really here to help. I'm not like other people. Look, my request has been processed from my prior video. So I did got the $100 cash out. It took about 16 minutes to get the $50 cash out, so that's pretty good. All right, y'all be safe out there. Take it easy. Free online money makers.